So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy here, CUINIX, back at it again with yet another one. So today tumekuja with another episode of Driver's Manual. You guys have been asking it, and leo nimetafuta a really fast car for you guys. So leo nimekuja kuona the fastest M5 in East Africa. Let me show you. So the guy is none other than Mr. Githinji himself. Huyu ndo atatuonesha walk around hii gari. How have you been, manze? Gota manze. Guy. Anyway.
So today guys, I want to give you the V8 engine. Najua atakuja what's been done to the engine.
Yeah.
So we have two Garrett's stage 2.
Stage 2. Oh, the twin turbos, eh?
Yes, unaweza ziona hapa. It's very, the engine is very hot, so siwezi access, so ziko hapo. So it has
tunaweza anza na specs to the engine, like it's a V8. Unajua some guys.
It's a 4.4 V8. 4.4
V8.
Siko sure.
Oh, miaji.
Nimeonyesha gari mingi leo, so forgive me if I get it wrong, but I know it's a 4 something. It's a 4.4 liter V8. The stage 2 turbos, custom intakes, as you can see.
Carbon fiber.
Zinakuja hapa.
Also they flow all the way.
Yes.
Zinapitia huku.
Yes.
Kama unaweza ona hizo. Pod ama ni corn filters.
These one corn filters. The car is also on meth.
Methanol injection.
Yes, as you can see from this line.
Oh. So this is
there's this line.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat, and then there's this other line. Maybe I can walk you to where the meth kit eco. By the way, what tuambie viewers, meth when you are meth inasaidia na nini? Inafanya tu inatulia tu joto, inatuliza joto.
Inatuliza joto. So it's not like additional on power or something.
It will give you additional power if you think about it, because for you to get power you need cold air.
Oh, so cooler IATs, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
So here's the meth. It's a pretty clean install.
Yeah,
as you can see, funika hapa, no one will even tell.
No,
so you just do that, no one will even tell it's on meth.
Yeah.
Subaru boys na watu wa Corolla Nation wanataka kuweka huko. Wanataka kuweka huko juu. Sio hizo.
Sio hizo.
Hii ni kitu safi, as you can see. Imetoshea hapo.
Done by who, by this?
It came like that from the UK.
From UK.
Wrigley's ndo walifanya.
Okay.
There's a carbon bit.
Carbon touches, eh?
Yes, carbon touches.
In ductile. And this is carbon fiber. Si zile vitu zenu za Kirinyaga road, man.
Sile ya musili ya kudipiwa. Kuna pia hiyo
carbon diffuser.
Yes. Custom exhaust.
Oh, this is a custom exhaust, full stainless steel, eh?
No, it's steel.
It's steel.
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
Yes.
Okay.
For the back, because it's a high horsepower car, so we opted for the R888s. So
to your proxies.
The custom forged rims.
So isn't it custom forged?
Yes, custom forged.
Okay.
Came like that from the UK.
Yeah.
As you can see, we are running a very big tire. It's a
315/30, yeah?
Yes.
So R888, eh? But the R888s are semi-slick, isn't it?
Amara. Yes.
Yeah, not close to a full slick, isn't it?
Very expensive.
Very. How much is one?
Bei ya Corolla mbili.
Wallahi, akia nani watu wa Corolla Nation alikufanyia nini? So mnaona So it's rear wheel drive, eh?
It's rear wheel drive. That's why we put the proxies at the back. Alafu
Mbele
with the Michelins.
Michelin.
PS4S.
Oh, pilot sport 4S, yeah?
Yes.
Lazima tujue.
Lazima
So hii ni 6 sport eh?
Yes, it's a 6-sport brake.
6 sport eh?
Yeah.
But is
For the power it has iko shaky.
iko shaky, yeah?
Iko shaky, yeah. On the power map. It's
Power
very
map.
shaky.
Oh, by the
It's on a base map right now.
base map.
Yes.
Like stage 1 too.
Stage 1. Hiyo hata si stage 1, hiyo tu ni stage.
Ni stage 2. Okay, as in like do you have the horsepower numbers na torque numbers?
850 horsepower.
850.
Torque numbers I'll confirm nikutumie kwa text.
Si ndio tutaandika hapo chini. Hata tuma mtaiona.
Wrigley's wako nayo.
Kuna so torque
So you can
numbers.
see from the
But juni V8 lazima torque numbers ziko
lazima
juu.
ziko juu.
Yeah. Okay.
So for mods hizo ndo najua ni important. Yeah.
What would you say about this car? Unajua like okay, tuambie. So does it come with all this interior bits za carbon fiber and so these are the add-ons, huh?
Some are add-ons, yes. Yeah. So but the interior is what is unique, the color.
Yeah.
We call it the rich man's interior from where we come from.
The rich man's
Rich
interior.
man's interior. Yes.
But what color is this? It looks
It's very beautiful.
the color to this is called very beautiful.
It's a very beautiful color. Yes.
It's a very beautiful color. Okay. Unaweza tupatia startup. Tusikie, yeah. Tusikie. Hope the car is warm enough, eh? Manzi V8 I can never get over that sound pana. Unasikia gari kiwaka ina change. So Githinji very willingly ametupatia
polite drive.
Anatupatia a polite drive. Wacha tukasikie what the fastest M5 in the whole of East Africa
make
has.
I remind them it's on a base map.
It's on a base map by the way. So
V-power only.
V-power only.
Yes.
Like kabisa.
Yeah, we want it to be fast. We have to do a mix. Our fuel is not the best.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Kenyan fuel is really.
So you can't run on the power map throughout. You need to do a mix of Tulin, a V-power. So I just opted to just use it on the base map, the V-power only map. Yeah. The car is tuned here at Ungaraged. Yeah. And that is Derek.
Huyo ndio anaitwaje the tuner ama ni builder?
Wote tu.
By the huyu mtafute kama mnataka stories za golf, Germany yote, including if you want another M5 yenye hujaleta huko. Hata GTR.
The fastest M5 imetoka hapa.
The fastest imetoka hapa. So tunataka kusikia how the torque numbers zinagonga. Ndio.
Tunaangalia huko mbele kuna human traffic.
But can somebody daily this car? As in anaweza drive daily?
Depends on how deep your pockets are. In terms of fuel inafanya ile kitu.
Ina ramba? Iko na urambisti. Noma. You are not ready.
Why you are not ready for the shit in this? Why you dumb?
You are not ready, manze, for that talk. Wewe sasa ungenipatia warning. It's crazy. Wow. Okay. A warning. It really pulls you back on your seat, eh?
It's very slow.
It's very slow, eh?
It's very slow.
So if I were to ask you, this compared to like something like a GTR, what do you think would like on a drag?
This particular M5.
This particular.
Let me just speak for this particular M5.
Yeah. Unaweza
launch anaweza do launch.
Yeah.
But
Okay. Crazy.
So what this car has is a very fast 100 to 200.
100 to 200. So
yes, it's actually the third fastest in Kenya.
yeah.
If anyone does a better time and replaces us, that's fine, because fastest car is GTR
Tanuki, yeah?
Yes, 222.
Yeah.
Then the Screaming E36, the
TJZ, yeah.
then us.
So is that abeli hiyo TJZ ni BMW ama ni
Bro, that's a Supra.
Yeah, that's a Supra.
I call it a Supra. That is why we say that this is the fastest BMW.
Okay.
Whatever Screaming have is a Supra.
It's a Supra.
I think it's crazy fast.
Yeah, I think it's crazy fast. Man,
for their car to do 11 seconds quarter mile. For a rear-wheel drive car,
yeah,
that's really fast.
Meaning half a mile on a gonga, some crazy number.
If they're doing 11 seconds now on a spin, can you imagine?
Yeah. So yeah.
So because us we're having the same issues, we struggle with traction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I forgot to ask you, don't know if you like. Hey, what gearbox is in this?
It's
DSG, yeah?
No, it's a DCT.
DCT, yeah? Also a dual clutch transmission. So iko na clutch mbili. Vile wanasema. There are some Subarus here.
This is a very fast one. This is ngumo.
Hey, crazy. Yeah. I hope I would be able to get like a flyby shot, because wow, those are some crazy pulls.
Yeah, kadudu vlog.
Wow, okay. So you need, like, does it have more maps on it?
There's a map, the power map. We only have two
maps.
We didn't do an in between.
Yeah.
So we just did one for V-Power.
Yeah.
Normal, that for us that's normal fuel. And then we did one for the race fuel. So the race fuel map is the crazy one.
Oh, the race fuel.
Yeah, but you see, since we were driving the car the whole of this week and last week,
yeah,
we didn't see the need of having the race fuel map. It's a bit costly.
Yeah?
Yes.
Hey, can you imagine if normal fuel...
Dent to pocket.
Dent to pocket, man.
Yes. I can say this weekend we've used close to 15,000 in fuel.
In fuel?
For just 2 drives.
2 drives, including this one?
Including today's.
No, but the guys is gonna sunroof.
Beautifully spec.
But from the outward appearance, this car is really massive, eh? Nah, actually inside is actually pretty much the same.
It's like an E-Class.
It's an E-Class, eh? It's an E-Class. It's like an E-Class.
It's like an E-Class.
Hey, all my E-Class buddies hapo mnasikia, so msianze kujichocha.
No, see, it's fast, eh?
Yeah, it's fun.
M3, maybe 663.
Woo! It feels...
Yeah, it dances a bit.
Inaenda sideways.
Inaenda sideways. Na hiyo ni traction on. Traction off is another story. It's another... Traction, just leaking traction.
Yeah, I can feel like the rears in a struggle, eh?
Yeah.
And those are R888, so you can imagine.
Not warm enough.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, the speedo, sijui kama mnaiona, is in miles per hour. So mkiona iti inafanya like 80, just know those are other numbers. Multiply that by 1.6. So like, nikuulize, like, would you do like a full slick on this setup?
But what competition is the question?
Okay. Yeah. But okay, yeah, guys are still building. Yeah. I think the guys will catch up.
Bro.
Guys will catch up.
I know there's enough money put into this car.
Yeah. Before guys catch up, huh?
That's why it's performing the way it is.
So umesema if it is a GTR at a launch, lakini you'll catch him, eh?
You'll still catch him. Anything stockish, or even below 700 horsepower. Yeah, less Julia.
Crazy, okay. So guys, that's basically the rundown on this really powerful car. I actually really enjoyed my time in it. In Itoji. It's actually an experience. Anyway, it's actually up for sale on Slick Trading Limited. If you feel like you want that car or some other exciting cars, actually this is they also have this up for sale here. It's a diesel BMW 5. It's a 523, isn't it?
Yeah, diesel.
523 diesel. And they also have this really unique car. It's actually wrapped. And kama mnajua, this is the one that recently won all the Masinga drags. East African Championship, eh? Yeah, it's actually the East African champion. How much is this going for?
6 million.
6 meters. Wait, okay, 6 meters if you want that. I believe mtakujie gari, man. If you want to check out more cars, make sure you check out Slick Trading Limited. Only Nairobi for this week? Yes. Itakuwa inaenda wapi? Mombasa. Okay, yeah, they also have some really cool cars, and if you want some other cars wanaweza kusosia huko nje, make sure you reach out amaje. Sindio on Instagram.
Na like, subscribe,
na wa share, sindio? Umesikia vile baba yetu amesema. Haya, so peace out. Make sure you do that.